Oh, they've already started. Good Christ, Frank, they started early.
Huh?
They started early.
Oh shit, I just got here. I thought maybe I was going to be, but yeah, they started early.
Well, I gotta tell you, that conveyor truck really makes life easy on these guys. They went with a 2x2 grid pattern using 5/8 rebar versus using the mesh. Tends to give a little stronger support to the slab.
What's that? Yeah, they left on Monday. The money. Who's got the money? So you're the boss and you got the money. You're getting paid? I'll roll your ass. Right down the You ain't done yet. Are you taking this bar too?
No, that's Frank's.
All right.
No, I know that feeling. We've had our share.
falling on there now. Yeah, it is. A lot of patterns. I didn't bring the bear paws. It in the April. I almost had a bear coming in with picking up.
Should I leave it here? You want me to share it?
I got it. Yeah. What's the more difficult for you?
Well guys, the slab's in. All ready to start building on Monday. Give it a day or two to cure up a little bit. They removed all their boards already, their form boards. I already did the relief cuts. So yeah, this baby's ready to build on. Okay guys, we're up here at the lake house build today. What we're going to do is get some lines snapped out on the deck here this morning. Put some pins in, seeing how they didn't put any anchor bolts in. And then we're going to build some knee walls, because I couldn't talk them into putting in-slab heat in. So the knee walls are going to support the floor for the house portion of the build. And then they'll be able to slide the ductwork and plumbing and everything underneath the raised floor portion a bit. Okay, I just got to kind of wait for Frank to get here. I'm here a little bit early, just kind of scoping the project out. Our material hasn't gotten here yet. That's supposed to arrive here this morning sometime. So when Frank gets here, what I'm going to do is basically square the corners up and then snap lines for where our little walls have to go. But I'll run them all the way out into the garage portion of this. As you see, we got a little apron out there for the garage door. This will be the garage porch. Oh, and by the way, overall, this place is going to be 26 by 68, with the house being 44 by 26 and the garage being 24 by 26. So, again, you know, with the raised floor, we're going to end up having probably close to 10-foot ceilings in the garage, but we're only going to do an 8-foot ceiling in the house section. Corner. Put it at the 1 foot mark. You got it? Yep. 72, 7 5/8. Now go over to that one and do the same exact spot. 7 1/2. 1/8 of an inch, that's only a 16th on a square, so we'll go with that.
Yeah. how come it wouldn't be exactly the same? We didn't
Well,
use.
it's supposed to be, but we're only 1/8 inch off.
I
So.
know, but how come it wouldn't just be exact?
Pencil line will vary that much.
Oh, that little also.
That 72-foot run, I don't think I'm going to complain about 1/8 of an inch. I've seen them a foot off in that length.
Oh no, like a son of a.
Can you walk this way, Frank? We are about 2 inches up, so. How old are you, Frank? 74?
What?
I said, how old are you?
76.
76?
Yeah, I ain't messing around, man. I'm trying to get way up there.
76 and still kicking it.
Yeah, I turned 76.
He'll outwork most of us 50-some-year-olds. They ain't put anchor bolts, we gotta use these smack ends. And what happens is while we're tightening the nut, the bases will tighten up and grab hold of the concrete. We're gonna do that every 6 feet, plus within a foot of each seam. And the pins are in. Now we just gotta wait for material. And as our material never showed up due to a broke down delivery truck, we decided to take a little pontoon ride around the lake. So enjoy, everybody, and we will talk to you on the next one.